Welcome everyone! I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the fascinating world of cells and their organelles. Understanding these tiny structures is essential because they are the building blocks of all living organisms. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the cell itself. Think of it as a small factory, where each organelle has a specific job to keep the factory running smoothly. Now, let's break down some of the key organelles. Nucleus. This is the control center of the cell. It houses the cell's DNA, which contains the instructions for making proteins and other important molecules. Imagine it as the brain of the cell, directing all activities. Mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria convert nutrients into energy. They are essential for powering all cellular functions. Picture them as the energy generators that keep everything running. Ribosomes. These tiny structures are the protein factories. They can be found floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Think of ribosomes as the workers assembling products based on the instructions from the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulomer. The ear comes in two forms, rough and smooth. The rougher is studded with ribosomes and is involved in protein synthesis, while the smoother is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification. You can visualize the rougher as a factory line where products are being assembled. Golgi apparatus. This organelle acts like the shipping department of the cell. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for delivery to their destinations. Imagine it as the post office, ensuring that everything gets to where it needs to go. Lysosomes. These are the cell's waste disposal system. They contain enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. Think of lysosomes as the recycling center, keeping the cell clean and efficient. Cell membrane. This is the protective barrier that surrounds the cell. It controls what enters and exits the cell, maintaining the internal environment. Picture it as the security gate, allowing only certain substances to pass through. Cytoplasm. This is the jelly-like substance that fills the cell and holds all the organelles in place. It's where many of the cell's metabolic reactions occur. You can think of cytoplasm as the workspace where all the action happens. As we explore these organelles, remember that they work together in harmony to ensure the cell functions properly. Each one plays a vital role, and without them, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the microscopic world of cells and their organelles. I hope you found this information enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following or subscribing for more engaging content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.